Good afternoon, Ayush.
Good afternoon, sir.
Uh, Child, here today we are going to calculate library fine if number of days are given. So here suppose we have number of days and we have number of days. It is a period for what we have taken the book. Suppose number of days are given and for the same given days we have to calculate the library fine by considering the following assumption. And the assumption is that for first 10 days no fine, more than 10 and up to 15 rupee 1 per day, or we can say rupee 2 per day, more than 15 and up to 20 rupee 2.8 per day, and more than 20 rupee 3.5 per day. This is the slab. So in this question, total number of days are given. This is just an example. Suppose we have got the book for 20 days. What will be the fine? I'm just going to calculate. So fine will be what? It is clearly given that the for first 10 days there is no fine, right?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
between
sir.
10 to 15, how many days?
15 to 20, 5 days.
Between 10 to 15, 5 days. So 5 into 2. What is this 2? 2 is the rate.
Yes, sir.
Got it? And then
Yes, sir.
for the days are 20, right? So how many days are left?
Total 10 days, abhi 5.
So if this is 20 minus 15 into what is the rate? 2.8. This is the rate. This is how we have to calculate the fine. Not getting my point.
Yes, sir.
देखिए
Yes, sir.
फर्स्ट 10 डेज तो फ्री था.
Hmm.
नेक्स्ट 5 डेज 5 इंटू 2 हुआ. हमने 15 डेज तक कवर कर लिया. अब बचे हुए दिन कितने हैं? 20 माइनस 15, क्योंकि 15 डेज तो ऑलरेडी कवर्ड है. तो 20 माइनस 15 इंटू 2.8. 2.8 is the rate.
Yes, sir.
Suppose here we have days which are 24. Now how to calculate the fine? Fine will be what? देखिए फर्स्ट 10 डेज फ्री थे. 11 to
Yes, sir.
15 आपका 5 डेज हुआ. तो 5 डेज का 2 रुपए के रेट से 5 इंटू 2. गॉट इट?
Yes, sir.
नाउ 15 to
Yes.
20, how many days?
5 days.
5 again. What is the rate? 2.8. Now plus
Yes, sir.
how many days are remaining? 24
4.
minus 20. 4 days are remaining. But for these 4 days, what is the rate? 3.5.
Yes, sir.
Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
So this is
Sir,
how we have to calculate. हाँ बोलिए बेटा.
सर इसको डायरेक्ट 4 मल्टीप्लाई 3.5 भी तो कर सकते हैं.
नहीं कर सकते हैं. आपको हर स्लैब में हर रेंज के लिए कैलकुलेशन करनी पड़ेगी. अगर आप 24 इंटू 3.5 करेंगे तो अमाउंट ज्यादा होगा वो.
अच्छा.
और वो आदमी जो जिसने बुक ली है रेंट पे, वो आपको उतना फाइन क्यों देगा जब फर्स्ट 10 डेज फ्री था? तो
Yes, sir.
भाई वो तो कहेगा कि फर्स्ट 10 डेज का पैसा मैं क्यों दूं, तब तक तो फ्री था ना.
Yes, sir.
So this is how to do. Now the same we are going to implement. What to do? Here we have got a float variable for days. Then for days we can take integer also. Days is equals to 0. and here we have taken this float variable for fine. Now what we have to do, enter total number of days we have to input, and here we have got total number of days. Now we have to calculate first 10 days books. For first 10 days the fine was 0. Any doubt, Ayush?
No, sir.
Else if days are less than or equals to 15, how to calculate the fine in this case? Tell me, what was the rate? Rate was here as 2 rupees per day. So here
Yes.
आपको माइनस करना पड़ेगा डेज माइनस 10 एंड इनटू 2 करना पड़ेगा.
Yes,
Else
sir.
if days are less than or equals to 20, what is the rate here? अब यहां पर क्या लिखना है आपको? देखिए फर्स्ट 10 डेज फ्री था, लेकिन जो नेक्स्ट 5 डेज है उसका रेट है 5 इंटू 2 प्लस. And what is the rate for the remaining? For the remaining, the rate was 2.8. ये समझ आया?
हाँ sir.
And then finally, we have to go for else, where fine is equals to 5 into 2 plus 5 into 2.8, and here it was 3.5, and then you have to print for the fine calculated. So fine is, this is what the fine is. Any doubt, then please tell.
1 minute, sir.
Just a minute. Yes, this is the fine. Any doubt, then please tell.
No, sir.
See, number of days are suppose 24. What is the fine? It is 38 rupees. Run it again. Suppose the days are 12. What is the fine? Rupees 4. Reason? First 10 days were free and remaining days are 2, and the fine will be 2 into 2, which is 4. Any doubt, then please tell.
No, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One more question I want to do, which is based on telephone bill. And so we have to calculate telephone bill. When number of calls are given. Consider the following slab. Calls up to 100, bill is rupees 200. More than 100 and up to 200, bill is rupees 2.5 per call. More than 200 and up to 300, bill is rupees 3.5 per call, and more than 300, bill is rupees 4.5 per call. Any doubt in this? Then please tell.
No, sir.
You just note down the slab and guide me while I'm writing the code. Okay. So
Wait, sir.
what do you have to input here, Ayush?
सर क्वेश्चन एक बार फिर से दिखा दीजिए, नोट कर लें.
Yes, please note it down. Okay. Now let us start with the code. So what do you need to input? It is calls, and here we have another variable which is for the bill. Just take bill as float. What do you need to input? Enter the total number of calls, and this is the calls we have entered. Now, if calls are less than or equals to 100, the bill is 200 rupees. Any doubt?
No,
Else if
sir.
calls are less than or equals to 200.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So 200 plus. What was the rate here, Ayush? 2 rupees per call? For what?
2.5.
Huh?
2.5.
2.5 per call. This was the rate. So 2.5. Else if, what was the third one? Third condition?
Sir, s-
Calls are less than or equals to
300.
what?
300.
Less than or equals to 300. And then above 300. So if you, and here, what is the, it is 200 plus, this is was the rate, okay, and here it is what? 3.5. 3.5. And finally it comes else part. In else part, what do you have to do?
Above 300.
Above 300. What do you need to write? It is 4.5.
Yes, sir.
So bill is equals to
200 plus.
200 plus calls. Wait. Here the mistake is that you cannot write calls minus 100. Rather than you have to write 100. Right. The rate was 100 into 2.5 plus 100 into 3.5, and then this is how you have to do. Any doubt, Ayush, then please tell.
सर इसमें कंडीशन में क्या बोलते हैं 100 से 200 के बीच में भी तो ऐसे
देखिए आप,
लिख नहीं
सबसे
सकते हैं.
पहले 100 कॉस पे 200 रुपए था, ये हो गया, और 200 से 300 के बीच में आपका 100 है, तो वो हो गया. ठीक है,
यस सर.
एक सेकंड, दिस इज फॉर, हाँ ठीक तो है, 100 हो गया, 200 हो गया, एंड फॉर 300, सो इट इज फॉर 100, 200 एंड 300. इट इज फॉर 100, 200, 300 एंड अबव 300.
सर ये पूछ रहे हैं कि एक कंडीशन में 100 से 200 नहीं लिख सकते हैं एक
नहीं
में ही.
बेटा, वो हर स्टेप के स्लैब को देखना पड़ेगा ना. देखिए जरा यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में क्या था, पहला 100, फिर अगला 100, फिर नेक्स्ट 100, फिर नेक्स्ट 100. सो हर नेक्स्ट स्टेप में, नेक्स्ट स्टेज में जो बिल है वो अलग है ना, उसका रेट अलग है ना.
यस सर.
तो ऐसे कैलकुलेट होगा.
ठीक है
इफ
सर.
यू, हाँ, इफ यू राइट, सपोज इफ यू इनपुट, सपोज फॉर 150 कॉल्स, कैलकुलेट कर लीजिए. If it is 150, I have not printed here. The thing is, I have calculated but not printed. So printf, the bill is what? .2f. Got it? This is the
यस
bill.
सर.
This is the bill. So if you run this, suppose it is 200, 220, not 200. See, it is 520. Calculate कर लीजिए जरा 520, whether it is coming or not. If it is 220, then 200 plus 250 plus 20, अगला 20 का 3.5 होगा.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So I hope you have understood.
Yes, sir.
Got it. So tomorrow I will be, next class I will be, yes, most probably tomorrow I will be starting switch case, right?
Okay, sir.
I hope you have understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.